Hey guys, sorry. Hey guys. So today we're going to do an experiment. Um, and you're going to need 3 toothpicks, dishwashing detergent or dish soap, a bowl, and some water. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add our water into our cup, or our bowl rather. Then we're going to take 2 of our toothpicks, and we're going to see if we can get them to float. There they go. And we want them sort of side by side. Okay, that's pretty good, I guess. I want to see if we can get them sort of in the middle. Okay. We are going to get some of that dishwashing soap. It does not take much. That's probably too much. And what we're going to do is we're just going to okay. I need a little bit more space for this. Just a little. Okay. Let's see what happens. Woo! Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, so we have our soap. We have our toothpicks. You want to put this toothpick, your third toothpick, in between the 2 other sticks. You guys see that? One more time. One more time. Okay. So, what is going on? Well, everything is made out of molecules, right? For those of you who don't know what molecules are, molecules make up matter. Okay? For a solid like this table, they are grouped really closely together. They roam a little bit freer in a liquid. Okay? So when I stick the the soap into the water, it forces those water molecules to spread apart. They're not so close together, and it makes them just separate. The water molecules are actually yanking on each other. They want to move. They want to have all of their friends go with them. And so that's what's happening. The water molecules are separating out. They're pulling on each other. They want to get everybody out of the way. They're actually moving outward. And as they move outward, they take those sticks with them. And the water, the toothpicks don't break the surface of the water. They're not heavy enough to sink, and so they float. Pretty cool little science experiment. You can do this with your kids, with your nieces and nephews. Again, you just need some dishwashing detergent or soap, water, a bowl, 3 toothpicks, and water. And there you go. If you like this, please leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and click that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And I think my next video is going to be another edible plant video. So yeah. With that, I will let you go. Goodbye.